Welcome to the class. We will start. We'll start with neck exercise. Keep little distance between both the legs. Hands at the waistline. Eyes gently closed. Exhaling. Bend head down. Chin at the throat cavity. Try to stretch neck muscles at the back. Inhaling, slowly take it back. Try to lift the chin little more up so that the throat muscles will get stretched. Exhaling down. Inhaling, slowly take it back. Exhaling, come to center. Now inhaling, turn right, chin and the right shoulder in the same line. From there, try to stretch back. Take chin little more back. Exhaling, come to center. Inhaling, turn left, chin and the left shoulder in the same line. From there, try to stretch back. Exhaling, come to center. Now we will fold right and left. Exhaling, turn right, right ear on the right shoulder. Try to lift chin little more up so that ear can reach the shoulder. Exhaling, come to center. Inhaling, turn left, left ear on the left shoulder. Exhaling, come to center. Now we will rotate. Exhaling down, chin at the throat cavity. Now inhaling, turning from right, take it back. When it comes to sides, see the right ear is touching the right shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. Inhaling right. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. Come to center. We will rotate anti-clockwise. Exhaling down. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Come to center. Relax. Now, both the hands forward rotation. Make sure shoulders are coming closer to the ears. Elbows straight. Keeping the stretch as is, rotate them. Don't bend the elbows when they are coming down or going back. And then reverse. Relax. Now keep right hand towards left. Now anchor the left elbow with your right elbow. Try to pull your right hand back. Your right hand is straight, looking towards left, and you are catching hold of the right elbow with your left elbow and you are pushing back. Relax. Similarly, now left hand with right hand. Try to pull your elbow back. Relax. Now fold the left hand. Elbow straight close to the shoulder. Shoulder close to the ear. Now catch hold of the elbow, left elbow with right hand. Now try to pull the elbow back and try to stay there for some time. Normal breathing. Relax it. Again pull one more time. Relax it. Similarly, right hand. Now catch hold of the right elbow with left hand and try to pull it back. Relax. One more time. Relax. Normalize the breath. Normalize the hands. Now keep maximum distance between both the legs. Turn towards your left. Your left feet is looking towards left and right leg is behind the left leg. First, take both the hands up. Join both the elbows at the top. Again, those who have severe knee pains, do it up to your capacity or just relax. Now, first inhale. Stretch both the hands up. Exhaling. Bend your left knee to 90 degrees. Your right knee going close to the floor but not touching the floor. Try to keep it a little above the floor. Normal breathing here. Now, if you are comfortable here, inhale and bend back. Again, normal breathing in the final bend position. Slowly come to center while exhaling. Inhaling, lift yourself up. Normalize the legs and hands. Now, once you normalize the breath, turn towards your right leg. Take both the hands up. Join both the palms. Inhaling, stretch both the hands up. Exhaling, bend your right leg to 90 degrees. Left knee close to the floor. Normal breathing. If you are comfortable, inhaling, bend back. Again, normal breathe. Exhaling, come to center. Inhaling, lift yourself up. Exhaling, normalize the hands and the legs. Relax. Now sit on the asana. Both legs together, hands on the knees. Fold the right leg. Holding the toe, bring the feet close to the chest, left side of the chest. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close to the chest. Exhale, inhaling, straighten the leg. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close to the chest. Exhaling, normalize. Now, fold the right leg. Left hand under the heel. With right hand, catch hold of the toe. Now, exhaling, lift the leg above the head. Look up. Slowly bring it back. Place the ankle on the left knee. With the right hand, try to push your right knee towards the floor, keeping neck and back straight. Now catch hold of the knee with both the hands. Inhaling, bring the knee close to the chest. Pull it towards left side of the chest. Exhaling, send it back to the floor. Inhaling, lift and bring it close to the chest. Exhaling, send it back to the floor. One more time. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, send it back to the floor. Now hold the knee with right hand, ankle with left hand. Do a cradle movement towards left. Maximum towards left. Try to pull your right knee towards back side. In the final stretch, see, knee is little down, ankle is little up. Now hold the toe with the left hand. Inhaling, bring the heel close to the body. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. One more time. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Now holding the toe with the left hand without bending the head. Exhaling, bring the toe close to the left ear. As close as possible. Don't bend the head. Exhaling, normalize the right leg. We will do same thing with left leg. Fold the left leg. Bring the feet close to the chest. Exhaling, normalize the leg. Inhaling, lift it. Bring it close to the chest. Exhaling, normalize. One more time. Inhaling, bring it close to the chest. Exhaling, normalize the leg. Now fold the left leg. Left hand under the heel. Catch hold of the toe with right hand. Exhaling, lift the leg above the head. Look up. Now place the left ankle on the right knee, keeping neck and back straight. With your left hand, try to push your left knee towards the floor. Now catch hold of the left knee with both the hands. Inhaling, bring the knee close to the chest. Exhaling, send it back to the floor. Inhaling, bring it close. Try to pull it towards right side of the chest. Exhaling, send it back to the floor. One more time. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, send it back to the floor. Now hold the ankle with right hand, knee with left hand. Do a cradle movement towards left. Maximum towards left. Now hold the toe with the right hand. Inhaling, bring the heel close to the body. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Now holding the toe with the right hand. Exhaling, bring the toe close to the right ear without bending the head. Exhaling, normalize the leg. Normalize the breath. We will do Padmasana. Fold the right leg. Place the heel left side of the navel. Fold the left leg. Place it on top of the right leg so that both the heels close to each other. Both knees on the floor. Neck and back straight. Hands in Jnana Mudra. Thumb and index finger gently touching each other. Remaining 3 fingers straight and looking down. Elbows close to the body, eyes gently closed. Those who cannot sit in Padmasana, try to sit in Ardha Padmasana or Sukhasana. We will do deep and long breathing. Start exhaling slowly, but completely exhale. In the final stage, pull the navel deep inside. Holding the breath outside, apply Molban. Pulling up of the perineal muscles is Molban. Hold for some time. Relax the abdomen. Start inhaling slowly, gently, up to the throat. Again apply Molban. Relax Molban. Normalize the breath. And repeat 2 more times. Take longer time to inhale and exhale so that you will be able to hold longer. Shant. We will chant Om 3 times followed by Gayatri Mantra. Inhale, mouth into circular shape. Mahamantra Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvaswaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat